what are you doing?
Just keep the lookout, like I told you. I'll teach this machine to take my money and get my water bottle. Maybe I'll get 2 water bottles for all the hassle. Oh no. Kit, I'm stuck.
Want me to go get the policeman to help us out?
Get the policeman.
But he could save you.
No, Kit. You can save me.
Really?
Yeah, just get over here.
Okay.
All right, Kit, you're gonna have to go in there.
What?
You're gonna have to go in there and get my shirt unhooked.
Oh, I can't go in there.
Why not?
Because I don't know how.
Kit, I'll show you.
Okay.